New luxury coastal home, wonderful Gulf views, private pool, 4 bedrooms/4 baths all ensuite, spacious open floor plan, LVP flooring, quartz countertops, stainless appliances, built Gold Fortified. Cabana Beach, a quiet coastal community offering convenient deeded access to the Gulf and to Mobile Bay. Huge rental potential. Located near world-class golf, Marina, charter fishing, restaurants, Dauphin Island Ferry, and historic Fort Morgan. Estimated completion by mid to late June.